Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about setting up a Bluetooth image transmission between a smartphone and an ESP32 CAM. This isn't so easy and I had to read a lot of documentation, especially on the Android side, before coming to a solution. The ESP32 side will be done with the Arduino IDE in C++. The Android side will be done with Android Studio in Java. This project will be described in 3 videos. The first one about setting up the ESP32 CAM, electrical connections, uploading code, making camera and Bluetooth work with 2 examples from Random Nerds tutorial. The second one will be about developing an Android app to receive Bluetooth packets using the RF-COM protocol. Finally, the third one will be about modifying the Android app to receive images. Let's get started.
To program the ESP32 CAM, we need a power source and a USB to serial converter. An Arduino can do both of that. We just have to tie the IRF pin to ground to put it into serial converter mode. We will solder ground of Arduino and ESP32 together. Same thing for the 5V rail. After this we establish a serial link with TX and RX. Finally we tie the IO0 pin to ground to tell the ESP32 it is in flashing mode. When it's time to run the program, we will just have to untie it.
We can't use the Arduino IDE just like that to program an ESP32. We have to add a special package. To do this, we just add the simple configuration line. After this, we install the ESP32 plugin. Then we wait a little for the IDE to download everything. We are good. Let's try a simple example, just blinking a LED. Compilation works fine, but upload doesn't. This is because of an incompatible upload speed. Arduino IDE is trying to upload the program at a speed of 460,000. However, ESP32 only supports 115,000. I don't know why. To fix this, we have to find the file. Path is in description. Search for a parameter called ESP32CAM.upload.speed and change it from 460,000 to 115,000. Let's try again. It uploaded correctly. After pressing the reboot button, we can see our LED blinking. We are now ready to use our ESP32 CAM. Next step will be about uploading a code that takes a picture and saves it to a SD card. Here I am just following the tutorial from Random Nerds tutorial. First we need to format our SD card to the FAT32 format. After this we just copy and paste the code into the IDE. Nothing complicated about the code, most of it is GPIO configuration, we don't really care about. There is one section about setting up the SD card. After this, here is the part we are interested in. This line tells the ESP32 to take a picture and store it into structure FB. We'll use this structure afterwards to send the image to Bluetooth. Let's give it a try. It worked, we were able to take a picture and save it into the SD card. Here we will test an example about sending Bluetooth packets, emulating a serial connection with the RF-COM protocol. So once again, the code is not really that interesting, it's just about using a library Bluetooth serial BT. We only care about what's inside a void loop, serial BT.write, serial BT.read, so really nothing complicated. While the sketch is compiling and uploading to the ESP32 CAM, we will download a small app on the App Store called Serial Bluetooth Terminal, which we will receive Bluetooth packets. What we are doing here is just checking that everything is working on the ESP32 CAM side, so we really don't care at all about the Android side now, so this is why we are using a third-party app for now. So first we have to pair the device the mobile phone. Now that it is paired, we can launch the application. Once again, we are pressing the button on the ESP32 CAM to launch the app on the ESP32 CAM. We were able to connect. Now we will be able to send messages. So I use the serial monitor from the ID to send a message. And it was successful, so we have a successful link between the ESP32 CAM and the smartphone. So next step will be about developing our own Android app.